Pig iron can be molded into a variety of shapes. The iron obtained from blast furnace contains about 4% carbon and many impurities like SP, SiMn in a smaller amount. This is known as pig iron and cast into variety of shapes. Malachite, CuCO3, CuOH twice, green color. Considering Ellingham diagram, magnesium metals can be used to reduce alumina. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with Cn minus ions. Silver is later recovered by displacement with zinc. Cyanide process is used to extract AU in hydrometallurgy. Froth foundation process is used for the dressing of sulfide ores. Electrolytic reduction is used to extract aluminum. Zone refining process is used for obtaining ultra pure G. Roasting of sulfides gives the gas as a byproduct. This is a colorless gas with a choking smell of burnt sulfur and causes great damage to respiratory organs as a result of acid rain. Its aqueous solution is acidic, acts as a reducing agent, and its acid has never been isolated. The gas X is sulfur dioxide. Metal oxide, which cannot be reduced to metal by carbon, is Al2O3. Metals are usually not found as nitrates in their ores. Here is two statements. Metal nitrates are highly unstable is wrong statement. Number two statement is metal nitrates are highly soluble in water is a right statement. Magnetite is a mineral of iron. In the extraction of copper from its sulfide ore, the metal is finally obtained by the reduction of cuprous oxide with copper sulfide copper I sulfide Cu2s. Identify the alloy containing a non-metal as a constituent in it. The answer is steel. Aluminium is extracted from alumina Al2O3 by electrolysis of a molten mixture of Al2O3 plus NaAlF6 plus AF2. Jador and Ti metals are purified by Van Arkel method. Which of the following elements is present as the impurity to the maximum extent in the pig iron? Answer is carbon. The following statement about the advantages of roasting of sulfide ore before reduction is not true. Carbon and hydrogen are suitable reducing agents for metal sulfides is a wrong statement because the sulfide ore is roasted to oxide before reduction because the delta GF0 of most of the sulfides are greater than those of CS2 and H2S. Therefore, neither C or H can reduce metal sulfide to metal. Further, the standard free energies of formation of oxide are much less than those of SO2. Hence, oxidation of metal sulfides to metal oxide is thermodynamically favorable. Sulfide ores of metals are usually concentrated by froth flotation process. Which one of the following sulfide ores offer an exception and it's concentrated by chemical leaching? Answer argentine. Because leaching is the selective dissolution of the desired mineral, leaving behind the impurities in a suitable dissolving agent. Example argentite or silver glans Ag2S is an ore of silver. Silver is extracted from argentite by the MacArthur and Forest process, leaching process. Solid compound X on heating gives carbon dioxide gas and a residue. The residue mixed with water forms Y. On the passing an excess of carbon dioxide through Y in water, a clear solution Z is obtained. On boiling Z, compound X is reformed. The compound X is CaCO3. The method of zone refining of metals is based on the principle of greater solubility of impurity in the molten state than in solid. The method of zone refining of metal is based on the principle of greater solubility. If the impurity in the molten state than in the solid, elements which are used as semiconductors like Si, Ge, Ga, etc. are refined by this method. Gallium arsenide and indium antimonide, also used as semiconductors, are also refined by this method.